Hey everyone, welcome to the Innovate with Vihas, the podcast where we explore the coolest, most mind-blowing tech stuff. I'm your host Vihangadenet and I'm super excited to dive into the world of innovative technology with you. So grab your favorite snack, kick back and let's embark on this awesome journey together. Imagine a world where machines can talk to each other, cars can drive themselves, and you control your home with your voice. That's of the magic innovative technology. It is all coming up with new ideas and innovations that make our lives easier and safe and more fun. Think about your smartphone. It's not just phone anymore, like having a mini computer in your pocket. You can use it to chat with your friends, take pictures, play games, and even learn new things. And what about those cool gadgets like fitness trackers and smartwatches? They help us to stay healthy and connected to the world among us. But it's not just about the gadget. Innovative technology is also helping to solve big problems, like how scientists are using advanced tools to fight disease or how engineers are designing sustainable energy solutions to protect our planet. Imagine a time where traveling for work is easy and efficient rather than stressful. Imagine yourself sitting back and enjoy while your car travels through busy cities, streets, or across huge areas of countryside. Maybe reading a book or catching up on emails. Self-driving cars hold an opportunity to bring about the transportation revolution that is not only feasible but also quickly approaching reality. However, innovation is not limited to that. Think about the possibilities for self-driving trains where advanced automation technologies improve accuracy and safety. Imagine if trains were able to interact with one another, improving efficiency and minimizing delays by optimizing timetable and routes. By decreasing pollution and traffic, these developments not only improve but efficiency of transportation network but also have a significant positive impact on the environment. So get ready to be amazed because I'm gonna share with you some awesome example that will blow your mind. First up, let's talk about the smartphones. These little gadgets are like magic in your hands. Not only can you make calls and texts, but you can also take amazing photos, play games, and even learn new things, all with just a tap of your finger. Next, let's dive into the world of self-driving cars. Imagine sitting in a car and not having touch on the steering wheel. Crazy, right? Well, that's exactly self-driving cars do. They use special sensors and cameras to see the road and navigate safely your destination. And who can forget about the artificial intelligence or AI? It's like having a super smart friend who can learn and think like a human. You have probably heard of the voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They are powered by AI and can help you with all of sort of tasks, from answering questions to playing your favorite tunes. Last but not least, let's talk about the 3D printers. This technology allows us to create objects by building them layer by layer, using materials like plastic or metal. From toys and jewelry to prosthetic limbs and even houses, the possibilities are endless. Virtual reality, VR and augmented reality (AR). With VR, we can immerse ourselves into virtual worlds and feel like we are anywhere we want to be, from the depth of the occasions to the face of Mars. And with AR, we can see digital objects overlaid onto the real world, adding a whole new layers of fun and excitement to our everyday lives. These are just few examples of incredible innovations happen in technology today. They show us that the future is filled with endless possibilities, and I can't wait to see what amazing advancement the future holds. Let's spice things up a bit with some fun fact about the innovative technology. Did you know that the first computer virus was created as a prank? In 1983, a virus called the Elk cloner infected Apple computers and displayed a silly poem. It wasn't harmful, but it paved the way for cybersecurity industry to develop ways to protect our computers from more serious threats. Now let's talk about something a bit down to earth. Literally. Did you know that NASA invented a special material called aerosol? It's one of the lightest solid material on earth, and it's so light that if you were to hold a piece of aerosol in your hand, it would feel like you are holding almost nothing at all. NASA used aerosol to capture space dust and particles in missions to collect samples from the comets and asteroids. Now here's a cool fact. The world's first 3D printed car was unveiled in 2014, known as a Srathi. This car was created by the company called Local Motors. Unlike traditional cars made from hundreds of parts, the Srathi was printed by layer using a green 3D printer. This groundbreaking achievement showcased the potential of 3D printing technology in revolutions the automotive industry. And ever heard of a robotic fish? Well, they exist. Engineers have developed robotic fish that mimic of the movement of real fish to study underwater ecosystem and monitor the water quality. The lifelike robots equipped with sensors and cameras can swim autonomously and collect valuable data in environments that are difficult for humans to access. And finally, here's the fun fact that might surprising you. The average smartphone today has more computing power than the computers used for the Apollo 11 moon landing. That's right, the devices we carry around in our pocket are more powerful than the ones that helped put a man on the moon. So the next time you are using your smartphone or browsing the web, remember these fun facts and marvel at the amazing advancements that make our modern world possible. Okay, let's move to the interesting fact about the innovative technology. Did you know that the world's first webcam was invented to monitor a coffee spot? Yes, you heard that right. In 1991, researchers at the University of Cambridge set up a camera point at their coffee pot. They created a web page that showed a live video feed of the pot, so people could check if there was a coffee ready before making the trip to the kitchen of coffee. Talk about the creative use of technology. Did you know that the first computer was made of the wood? Back in 1964, inventor Douglas created the first prototype of the mouse while working at the Stanford Research Institute. It had a wooden shell and two metal wheels underneath to track movements. Talk about the humble beginning for one of the most essential computer peripherals we use today. Now let's talk about the power of quantum computing. While traditional computers use bits to process information as either zeros or ones, quantum computers use qubits or quantum bits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This allows quantum computers to complex calculations much faster than the classical computers, with the potential to revolutionize fields like cryptography, drug discovery, and artificial intelligence. Ever wonder how fast the world's fastest supercomputer is? Well, as of 2021, the Fukuoka supercomputer in Japan holds that title. It can perform over 442 quadrillion calculations per second. That's more calculation than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. And finally, did you know that the world's largest data center is located in Langfang, China, spanning over 6.3 square feet? This massive facility houses thousands of servers and is capable of processing enormous amount of data every day. It's testament to every growing demand for digital storing and processing power in our increasingly connected world. Thanks for tuning in our podcast on innovative technology. It's been an amazing journey exploring the world of tech together. Remember, innovation is all about the creativity and making our lives better. Let's keep our eye open for the next big thing and stay excited about the incredible possibilities ahead. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious. Peace.